The mentors, the program coordinators are very considerate and they are quite flexible. And also they are providing ample support whenever you need. Hey everyone, this is Sujay Kumar Mishra. I'm currently working from Bangalore and I'm working with ANZ Bank. And in total, I have around 15 years experience into business consulting, IT, product management, and banking. The basic reason why I chose this program is my desire to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving business landscape. And what I think my experience with a contemporary MBA is going to equip me with the latest insights needed for effective decision making and evolving leadership skills. So talking about the learning experience, initially it was a bit challenging as expected, because managing our work and study together, as we all know, it's a very challenging task, right? But this program provides a flexibility because it's an online format, and it provides a flexibility to the students. The mentors, the program coordinators are very considerate and they are quite flexible. And also they are providing ample support whenever you need, whether it's in case of the group projects or the individual assignments. So that way, it is helping me a lot in growing. The most favorite part of the program is the collaborative project and case studies, which provides practical insights into real-world problem, and also it helps you in enhancing your leadership skills. This has helped me in enhancing the strategic thinking and also helped me in enhancing the leadership skills. And finally, it is helping me to understand the global business trends in the market. And what I think my experience plus the knowledge which I gain from here is going to help me in growing my own field.